What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you made it back. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by and welcome. If you are not new and you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and give me a thumbs up, guys, for this video because it will help with this small channel. Okay, guys, today I'm talking about a really fast growing, amazing beard company. It is none other than Beard Octane. I don't have to tell very many of you this. They put out great stuff. And I know you know this, and I know this, and their scents are bar none. They are so good. They are incredible. Today, I'm gonna be talking about one that they've had out for a while. This one I'm gonna talk about today is a very popular one. It's all over the internet. It's all over YouTube. It's really good. It smells great. Man, it is not mind-blowing. It's not a scent that you would go say, hey, this smells like coffee. This is a great, clean scent and reminds me when I put it in my beard, I get hints of the smell like within 45 minutes to an hour later. And man, it just makes you feel really, really good and confident knowing you smell good. That is none other than Downshift. Now, this is just a sample from Beard Octane that I got last year. I got a bunch of drams that I wanted to try out, and I did end up buying some extra ones because I thought they were really, really good. But this one, guys, man, this one's good. It's got the hints of oatmeal. It's got honey in it. It's got the hints of oatmeal, milk, and honey. I know that sounds probably weird for a guy to be wearing that stuff, but when you put this in, it smells absolutely great. I don't know what to say. I guess I would say I feel really clean. I feel really clean when I put it in. I feel like, maybe I just got out of the shower and I've got this nice oatmeal smell. Maybe I've used a bar of soap that has oatmeal in it, all natural ingredients. It's kind of what I get from this. But man, I'm telling you, it lasts a long time. I probably pick up whiffs of this throughout the day at work. I work in an office, probably about 5-6 hours even later. I told you within the first hour, I get hints of it. Man, it's great, great stuff. They sell the conditioner, they sell the shampoo, they sell the leave-in conditioner, they sell the balm, and they sell the butter. And I think they're now selling the body soap too. But this stuff right here, guys, it's pretty basic, but man, it's really, really good. So on a scale 1 to 10, what would I give it? I would give this a good 7.5. This is really, really good. It's not mind-blowing, but it is really great and solid. I would keep this in my beard collection for sure. So guys, I hope this helped you. If you want to save some money, I'll drop a link below where you can get a discount and find this. Downshift by Beard Octane. Go get you some. I'll catch you on the next video.